You might be the only Bible they ever see. Philippians 1:27 says, "Whatever happens, conduct yourselves in a manner worthy of the gospel of Christ." We do not behave to go to heaven as though our good works could save us. Christians are citizens of heaven, and while on earth, we behave like the citizens of heaven. Luke 10:20. As citizens of heaven, we're called to reflect our King. In a world where many never open a Bible, your life may be the only gospel they see. So speak with grace, act with wisdom, and let Christ's light shine through you. Live the gospel so boldly and beautifully that others are drawn to the author behind your life. Steve Maraboli says, reading the Bible will help you get to know the Word, but it's when you put it down and live your life that you get to know the author.